Very good evening, everyone. My name is Rahul Pandey, and I'm sitting in my coaching and just sharing my experience with all the students. See why I have started this coaching. The main motto behind it is just like I just want to communicate others, and I just want to support others regarding this special language which we know as English. Because we all are aware very much about this. What we speak every day, that's our, of course, it's a personal language. It's not a professional language. But I'm here just to train and I'm here just to motivate or elevate the language which is none other than it's English. English is my strength, okay? And I'm just here just to talk few lines about what is the importance of learning English and all. Because nowadays I've seen a lot of people are spending a lot of time scrolling the reels and all, which is not at all good for their career, for their health and for their all mentality, mindset also, right? But I meant to tell you is like rather spending time for this thing, you must elevate this language which might help you in future, right? Why I'm just saying you it might help you in the future because if you have some skill, the skill will never expire, guys. What I feel according to me, and it's my feeling, it's just a fact, guys. If you are having any kind of skill is nothing but it's indirectly talent. The talent will never expire. It is for the perpetual, right? Because see, skill defines about your entity. Your entity does not define about yourself, but of course your skill defines about your entity. Who the hell are you? What you do? What is your status? And what is your strength, or what is your weak point also? Everything just describe your knowledge, describe about yourself, your talent describe about yourself, right? But here see what I will tell you. Like first thing, people are just not worried about this language what I'm gonna teach nowadays. People are just ignoring this language because they just take a very light on this topic, and when it comes to the other subject, people are really dying for that. But I don't know why they are just ignoring this language. But trust my words, guys. This language is going to held off, or it's going to pop up very short period of time in this, because a person, those who are not able to speak English will not be respected, according to me. Because now it's not the only technology era, it's of course a AI era, right? And when we just talk about the AI era is nothing but artificial intelligence. So we also have to update and upgrade ourselves, knowledge, skills, talent, and all, right? So what I'm just suggesting you all, being as your mentor or motivational speaker or English tutor or teacher, I'm just simply talking about that, like once you start doing practice, nothing would be hurdle in your life, because doing practice can make your life easy. You can just get success in your life. I think most and more than important thing what I would add on here is like success will not define your satisfaction. Understand? Success is something different, satisfaction is something different. Like satisfaction is what? A person who is not success also could be satisfied. But a person who is very much success will not be satisfied. That I'm sure about that. So here it's all about the intuitions. Here all about your choice. Whether you want to best your always it's depend on ourselves. We want to make our time best, or we want to waste our time. It totally depends on our mindset, and it is there in our hand. Of course it's there. So what I'm just suggesting you all, please be serious about this language, because this language is not the only language. This is very smart language, communicable language, as well as it's very smart, attractive and talented language. Communicable language, global language, guys, right? Why I'm saying global language? Because through this language we can communicate the world, right? Understand? So you make habit just to speak English, no matter how you speak, no matter how much you speak. Understand? So you just need to initiate, and you just have to do practice as much as you can do. And last but not least, I'll take you. Rather wasting your time, invest your time for your study, for your practice, for the exploring your mind, and just overlook the all problems. Don't carry on. Overlook the all problems. Overlook the all others' validations, and don't rely on the others what they think about you, and never mind what they will just talk or something. Ignore them all. Only you just focus what you want to be, what you want to do, and what you want to achieve, right? And here a lot of students are nowadays is diverting their mind just because of some shit which is happening in our societies very badly. Like few people are diverting their minds because of mobile, addiction of the mobile, or the addiction of the bad network, and addiction of the bad friend circle. So avoid those all obstacles, because those all things will not lead you as a leader. But if you really do practice, your dedications, your hard work, and your just determinations or determined mind will lead you as a leader sometime. Just have faith, believe in yourself, rather believing on others, rather believing on the others, believe in yourself. Because believing in ourselves is just like a boost up. It just boost up your strength, boost up your positivity, it just make your mind positive. It's just everything will happen positively. But if you think negative, everything will affect negatively, right? So it truly depends on us how we create this world. If we want to be best, it's up to us. Or if we want to be best also, it's up to us. So this was just all about the Gyan, a short intro, a short suggestions. What you just call, take it as it, okay? I don't mind. But be serious about your career, because your career is just it will never come back. You can get it back everything, but you cannot get back your time what you are spoiling, what you are wasting. Understand? Because just spending even a second is going to cost you a lot. Rather regretting, you must implement something. So that's all about the day. Let me call it for the day, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.